Let's study 10th Standard ICSE English Literature, Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 2. It's a very small scene. It's an extension of the previous scene. Act 4, Scene 1 was the court scene. It ended with Portia being upset that Bassanio refused to give the ring, and she walked away with Nerissa, her clerk. Then Antonio convinced Bassanio that perhaps they should give the ring to the judge, Portia, because of her services and because of saving his life. Bassanio was unsure of doing this because he felt that his wife Portia would be very upset. He had no idea that Portia was trapping him and playing a prank here. But he agrees with Antonio in the end because he loves his friend a lot. And he requests Gratiano to take his ring and walk quickly and catch up with Portia and Nerissa and give the ring to her. So this small scene is an extension of the previous scene. Portia is seen on a street in Venice. She asks Nerissa to find Shylock's house and get his signature because Shylock had told the Duke during the court scene at the end that he was unwell and he has agreed to all the terms and conditions to convert into a Christian, write a will, to give away all his wealth to his daughter and son-in-law. But he would sign the bond at his home once the contract is ready. Shylock has agreed to sign the bond at his place. So Portia tells Nerissa to go and find Shylock's house and get his signature on the deed, whereby all his property will come under the possession of Jessica and Lorenzo, the son-in-law. Portia and Nerissa decide to reach Belmont before their husbands return, so that the husbands don't find out that they were the ones in Venice, in disguise. Gratiano catches up with them and presents Portia with the ring from Bassanio. She accepts the ring, but declines Bassanio's invitation for dinner because she has to reach Belmont on time. Nerissa, in an aside, that is to the audience, tells Portia that she will also manage to secure the ring from Gratiano. They plan to quarrel with their husbands, to fake being angry, to play a prank on them, and accuse them of giving away their rings to some young women in Venice. It would be funny to see the reaction of these husbands when they have to reveal to their wives that they could not keep the rings with them despite promising them to do so. Portia delights at this and hopes to have good fun at the expense of their husbands. And this leads us to the final anticlimax, Act 5, Scene 1, where we have a funny anticlimax. Because Act 4, Scene 1 was a very tense court scene, and now the audience would expect a happy feeling before the drama ends. And a lot of happy news, good news awaits us in the next scene. Antonio's ships would return. Jessica would get her deed with all the wealth of her father. Not at once, of course. She'll have to wait for her father's death, which she might hope for to happen soon. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.